Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and join my Glam fam. I post every other Wednesday, so be sure to hit that bell to get notified when I post. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 easy Halloween makeup looks: the cute, innocent reindeer, the scary clown, and of course, the most popular skeleton look. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. For primer today, I'm going to go ahead and take the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. For foundation today, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the CC Plus cream from IT Cosmetics. This one I've actually been loving because it makes my skin so dewy and so natural, and I haven't been into the crazy full coverage lately because, you know, it's still hot where I live. And you just want to make sure to get a foundation that is going to last for a little bit. If you're going to like a little Halloween thing, if you're just taking pictures, you want to make sure it's lasting and it looks fabulous. For concealer today, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Light Sand. And to set that all in place, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. And I'm actually setting my whole face with this powder just because I want a solid blank canvas we can work with when we start putting all our designs in for the looks. I just went ahead and popped on some brows, and I went ahead and did my bronzer as well so we could roll through with this look. So the first look we are doing is the scary clown look. So for the eyes, I'm just taking the James Charles palette, which mine is a little used and abused. I'm going to go ahead and go in with a warmer burgundy red shade, and I'm focusing that more in the crease zone. So now that I have that shade blended all out, I'm going to go ahead and go in with a deeper burgundy shade. And I'm focusing that shade more on the lid of the eye and blending it up with that other shade. And I'm just smudging those shades on the bottom as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish off the eyes by just popping on some lashes, and then we'll go ahead and start with the face makeup. Now we have our lashes on, we're going to go ahead and start with the face makeup. And I'm just going to start by drawing a line out into my mouth. So now that I have like the basic line for it, I'm going to go ahead and take a tiny bit of black and place it right in the middle of the line and just blend it out. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and take a lighter like pinkish shade, and I'm just going to blend it out on the edges of the lines. And now I'm going to take that deep burgundy shade and I'm just going to take it on my eyes right here, as if like the line is going through my eyes, and basically go through my eyebrow, and then just take a fluffy brush and blend out those edges. And then I'm going to take a black liner and just go ahead and define it all. For the lips, I'm going to take a deep red shade. Well, on camera it looks bright red, but in person it looks deeper red. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take an eyeshadow brush with black on it. And I'm just going to go around my lips and put black all over them basically. And now we're officially done with the clown look. Okay guys, so for the next look, it is the cute reindeer look. It's not so scary. So I'm going to go ahead and do my base, which is the same exact steps I did in the previous look. And I'll be right back when it's time to do the reindeer details. So for the reindeer makeup look, you want to be like super bronzed because you're a reindeer obviously. So I'm going to take the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. Your girl can't talk, okay? And I'm just gonna make sure that I am looking crazy bronzed today. And I'm just gonna take my bronzer and go in my eyes as well. Now it's time for some eyeliner. So now I have one eyeliner on. And for a reindeer look, I'm going to go ahead and go in the inner corner and make it like super sharp and make it look like I have a reindeer eye. Now that the eyes are done, I'm going to go ahead and pop on some mascara and then we'll go ahead and do some details. So for this look, I want to have spots basically like a reindeer does. So I'm going to take a little bit more of my Hoola bronzer and basically place it and make like a darker spot where I would want like my spots to go. Now all I'm going to do is take the ColourPop white eyeliner and go ahead and draw on some spots. Now we have our spots on and we're looking like a reindeer. I'm going to go ahead and take the black eyeliner and go ahead and draw on a nose. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the Kat Von D Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Hawkwing, which is like a dark brown. And I'm just going to go ahead and do my top lip to make it look like a deer lip. And now our deer look is finally complete. Okay guys, so I went ahead and took that off and now it's time to do the skeleton look. For this look, you're going to need the Shade and Light Kat Von D palette because this is literally the palette I'm going to use the whole entire time. And I'm just going to take this bronzer shade in the middle and just go in on my eyes. And now, honestly, I'm just going to add some mascara and the eye look will honestly be done because it doesn't require a lot for the eye look. So now you're going to want to take the Shade and Light palette. I'm going to take a more tapered brush. And I'm just going to take this middle shade first. But what you want to do is you want to take a bunch of that shade and go on the bottom. And then I'm going to take the darker shade and take a tiny bit and just go on the outside edges. And I'm going to take the same shade and just go on my nose and make it really dark. Then I'm going to take my black eyeliner from e.l.f. and just sculpt out that cheekbone. Then I'm going to take some concealer and we're going to go ahead and cover up these lips. And now I'm going to go ahead and draw on some teeth. Now that the teeth are on, we're going to go ahead and take the white ColourPop liner and draw on some teeth. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the black liner and I just outlined my nose a little bit so it gives that bony structure look. And now this is the completed skeleton look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and let me know if you like my backdrop because I kind of changed it up a little bit. I might stick with it for a while. Let me know what you guys dressed up for Halloween as, and let me know what you're doing for Halloween because I'm probably going to be sitting at home binge watching Halloween movies all night. And be sure to hit that subscribe button to join my Glam fam, and I'll see you not next week, but the next week after. I love you guys. Bye. Let's go ahead and roll these bloopers. So I'm going to take the Hoola Bronzer from Bronzer. That feels weird.